Hey guys, Journey with Eric and Julia here. Eric and my assistant here, Julia, off to the side over here. Today, like I said before, we're going to be testing this GoPro watch, GoPro Smartwatch. Alright, I've got my GoPro set up. We've got a 100-yard football field, and I'm going to see if I can go all the way to the other goalpost and see how far this GoPro will operate, turn the GoPro on and off, so we know, get an idea of the range of it, because it's supposed to have a super far range. So, I did an unboxing for this. Once you get your GoPro smartwatch connected to your phone, your GoPro, all right. Now we've done that. Now we're gonna see how far we can get the GoPro smartwatch to operate the GoPro. All right, let's try it out. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go out here at the 10-yard line, on out to the 30, the 50, and all the way down to the other goalpost, the other end, and see if we can control the GoPro with this smartwatch, GoPro smartwatch. All right, let's try it out. So, we made it from 10-yard line all the way down to the other goalpost at 100 yards. And we're still able to control the GoPro with our GoPro smartwatch. So, we know for sure we've got a range of at least 100 meters, 100 yards with the GoPro smartwatch. So, it's pretty cool. And I've tried it in water when we were down in Mexico also. And it worked too. The only problem with it is sometimes it's hard to see the GoPro smartwatch display in the sun because of the glare. But hey, oh, and another thing too, I've noticed that you have to connect your GoPro smartwatch before you start leaving your GoPro. Because I got to the other end the first time I did this on a first take, and I turned it off at 100 yards, and I wasn't able to get reception with the Wi-Fi from the smartwatch. until I got to about 50 yards. So, but as long as you're connected, before you leave the GoPro, I was able to maintain connection to the GoPro all the way to 100 yards. But if you don't have connection and you try to reconnect to your GoPro, I hit my GoPro with the Wi-Fi at about 50 yards. So, all in all, pretty good. So, there you go, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Journey with Eric and Julia. We'll post another travel talk or another video coming up here soon. As always, thanks for supporting our channel.